The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Collin County in north-central Texas, northern Dallas County in north-central Texas, southeastern Denton County in north-central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:34 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1.5 inches are possible. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Frisco, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Flower Mound, Rowlett, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Wiley, and Coppell. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kaufman County in north-central Texas, northeastern Ellis County in north-central Texas, southeastern Dallas County in north-central Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lancaster, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, DeSoto, Cedar Hill, Lancaster, Bulk Springs, Ennis, Seagoville, Glen Heights, Red Oak, Hutchins, Wilmer, Ovilla, Crandall, Ferris, Combine, Oak Leaf, Cottonwood, Bristol, Rosser, and Sand Branch. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 410 and 422. Interstate 20 between mile markers 465 and 478. Interstate 45 between mile markers 262 and 279. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Ellis County until 3:56 p.m. At 2:56 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northeast of Ennis, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Radar indicated 60-mile-an-hour wind gust and half-dollar-sized hail. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs and trees. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.